Okay guys, right to start off the bat, when you walk in, this is my roommate's side. I'm not gonna go in depth on her side because like I said, it's not my stuff, but these are her lights. They add a really nice touch to our room, her comforter, and all of her things over here. Next, the university that I go to, Towson University, whoop whoop. Every room comes with a micro fridge, so we have that here. They also provide us with this little recycling bin, and this is my roommate's trash can that we kind of both share. Next, over here is my roommate's desk. Not gonna go in depth on her side, but then there is my desk. So on my desk, I have these lamp that I got from Amazon. It's just a black little lamp just in case I decided to do my work here. This is kind of like my vanity and my workspace, so I'm going to be using it for both, and that's why I have this lamp here. I have these 2Ks that my stepmother got me from Target, I believe. And then if you watch my Five Below tour, this is where I have all of my makeup brushes and my Alexa. I love her. She is heaven sent. Next, I have this mirror that I got as a graduation gift, and it just lights up here. You just put batteries in it and it lights up. It just helps me in the morning so I don't have to put on the big lights. I can have this light to do my makeup on. Next, I have another gift that I got for my graduation, and this is just like a little makeup holder, but it holds like my perfumes, all of my makeup, my lipsticks, beauty blenders, all of that good stuff. And then back here I just have some bug spray because the bugs have been loving me lately and I really needed that. Also on my desk, as you can see, it is this like brownish wood color, but I put contact paper on it. Both me and my roommate did. And it's just this marble print here. I really love the marble print, so I decided to bring it to college with me on my desk. Next, I just have my laptop standing here because like I said, I will be doing work at this desk as well as my makeup. This desk is also provided by the university. In this first desk, I just have like my makeup palettes and things of that nature. I'm probably not going to use half of these, but they're here just in case I do decide to use them. And the remainder of the contact paper that I had on my desk. In this next drawer, I'm pretty sure I just have binders just in case I do need a binder, and a clipboard. And then in this third desk, it basically holds all of my electronic boxes. So the keyboard to my iPad, my planners, my headphones, my books, the box of my iPad Air, my Bible. So basically all things electronics and books are going to be in this drawer here. And then there's this chair here. It's actually not comfortable at all. So I'm thinking about getting like a pillow or a rug to put across here so it can look cuter and also be more comfortable. Then there's a little drawer here, and this basically holds all of my school supplies that I don't have in my backpack. That is right here. This is all my number 2 pencils, all of my pens, my Sharpies. Then I have all of my flash drives, my adapter to my car, scissors, my eyeglass kit, and some extra Ipsy bags just in case I need a small bag. And then these are just patches that I haven't used yet, and a slip that has all of my important dates on them for the school year. And this just kind of slides out of here too. Like I mentioned before, this entire desk here was provided by the college. So over here, I just have this little mesh trash can. I don't remember where I got this because I've had it for a while. I just brought it from my room. Then I have this long lamp that I'm pretty sure I got from Target. And it's actually pretty light. If you see, like, it definitely holds a lot of light on it. So that's a good addition because our room does not come with like good lighting. Then next I have this little hello sign on my wall. And then these are actually DIYs that I have. This one says "You're italic, I'm in bold," because if you know, you know, Billie Eilish is one of my favorite artists right now, so I had to plug her. Also, I have this one over here that's Dunder Mifflin Incorporated Paper Company because one of my favorite shows right now is The Office. Then I just have this right here that says "As If" because my favorite movie of all time is Clueless, so I had to put that on here. And then I just have a picture of a black and white rose, and I printed all of these at home to kind of match my aesthetic. So right here is my bed. I did not raise it to the highest it could be, but This is my purse. I just have it hanging on the side here so I won't forget it. This is just this little pink blanket that I got from Five Below. It's actually really soft. It's like a velvet material. I love this. Then I just got this gray comforter set from Amazon. It was like bed in a bag, I guess, with like 5 pieces: the sheets, the comforters, and then also the pillowcases. This furry pillow I got from Five Below. This pillowcase, I got this offline too, and I've had this pillow in my room for a while, so I just brought it with me. Then these 2 pillows here, I got from Walmart for $4.95, I'm pretty sure, and I just got 2 to match. This is the pillowcase that came with the set, and then I bought these 2 I just naturally had and came with the sheet sets that I have under my bed, which I'll show you because I do have a lot of understored storage. Sorry for the lighting change. But yeah, I got all 3 of those pillows from Target for, I'd say, $4 the pillows were. Next, I have my desk over here. She's a cutie. Yes, pretty basic, but she brings a lot. She has a lot of potential. So this is just all of my jewelry here. These were gifts to me from my stepmom. This was just gray, and it kind of matches my whole gray and pink theme I have going on. And this one, I really love to sing and music. So I have this, and it was a gift as well. And I just have all my necklaces on this one, all of my bracelets and other little things on these. Then I have these 2 Ks here. They were supposed to light up, but I just haven't put the batteries in them, guys. I'm a little lazy. And then this basket is all of my scrunchies. I have like a scrunchie in every color. As you can see, I'm a scrunchie addict. I have so many of them, and I love them right next to my bed just in case I need to put my hair up. This whole entire desk was provided by Towson University as well. It comes with 4 drawers, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in here, I have all my bras, panties, my bonnets, my do-rags, my hair ties. In this drawer, I have all of my shirts that could fit in here. This drawer, I have all of my bottoms that could fit in here. They're a little messy, guys. I'm sorry. And then this drawer is just miscellaneous clothes that couldn't fit in either of these 3 drawers. Next, I have this little ottoman that I got from Five Below. If you watch my Five Below dorm room haul. If not, I'll leave it in the description below so you guys can go check that out too. But I got this from Five Below, and I just use it to step onto my bed because my bed is a little bit higher for me. I also have this gray carpet here, and it's just really nice because, as you can see, my floor is like bare floor. So this is just so when I get out of bed, I don't step onto like literal cold floor. I have like something warm and fuzzy for my toes to be on. Then we have under my bed. And honestly, this is just a bunch of storage and miscellaneous. So I have my tissue down here. I have this 3 drawer here, but it couldn't fit. It was 3, so I just took it apart. This has like medicine. This has my extra blankets. This has extra sheets and Tupperware because we just need Tupperware. And then this is my shower caddy. I got this from Amazon. Sorry, lotion. This is my favorite lotion. I got this from Amazon, and it just has like my shampoo, conditioner, my mouthwash, and my toothpaste. I normally have body wash in here, but I just took a shower, so it's still in the shower. I have to go get that. But then down here, I just have my makeup case. This is like an extra bin that I carried all my snacks in. And then 2 suitcases. This is my quilt that my grandma made me to go to college with, and just a bunch of extra like miscellaneous things that I didn't have a place for. Next over here, I have my AC unit, and you can control the fan speed and the temperature of it from here. Right here, I just have these 2 baskets that I also got from Five Below. Really cute. They're gray. This has majority of my hair stuff, so my gel, my jam, my tooth brushes for my edges, my brushes. This holds all of my earrings and like extra jewelry that couldn't go in this little thing right here. And then this little basket right here holds all of my dish towels, extra batteries, cotton pads, and then also like regular like toiletry pads, and then a lint roller because my clothes tend to always have lint on them. And then I have the little fresheners for the air freshener, the extra ones in here. So this is just like household extra items that I didn't really have another place to put or just needed a place to put. Next over here, I have my tripods, and then an extra mat for the bathroom just in case we may need it. And this is my closet stash convenience store. So I got this little laundry bag. This is a unique laundry bag because it has a strap on it to where I can put it on like it's a backpack. I specifically got this laundry bag because our laundry room is on the first floor and I live on the second, so I can carry it down the stairs or in the elevator. So this little cart right here, I'm pretty sure I got off of Amazon as well, and it just holds all of my snacks. This top one, I have like my bowls and plates. I have my cups, salt and pepper. I also have like mayonnaise packets because I like mayonnaise on my sandwiches. I have some storage bags and also like plastic cutlery. Then on the second level, I just have some bread for my sandwiches, peanut butter and jelly. I have cereal here and then marshmallows. And then on this third one, I have napkins here, animal crackers, and pretzels. Then over here, I have this shoe organizer that I got from Five Below. It's actually two of them and I just stacked them on top of each other and it has all my shoes. Then I have my clothes here. I didn't really bring a lot of clothes to hang up, so it actually calls for more space and it looks like very pleasant to me. And then on this top shelf, I got these bins from Five Below, and then I have like 3 sets of towels, washcloths, face rags. In here is just pink and gray to match my room colors. And then this is my kitchen, y'all. So I have like the popcorn, I got club crackers, I have honey bunches of oats, I got green beans, I got rice in a bowl, y'all. Like, Kirsten will never starve a day in her life. And that's because I love food and my parents love me. So voila, to my little convenience store. Then on this third shelf I have up here, I just have my iron, my little fan, some Lay's chips, 2 packs of Gatorades, and then all of my bags and umbrellas that I won't need unless, you know, for occasion. And this is my closet here. The towers come with a sink outside of your room. The sink area is out here and then my bathroom is over here, and I'll show you that. But it's more convenient, I think, because if my roommate and I both have 8 a.m.s and we need to get ready in the morning, somebody could be here washing their face, brushing their teeth, and someone could be in the bathroom changing, you know, using the actual bathroom or taking a shower. So it's actually pretty convenient. I love that these rooms are like this. But the rooms come with these 2 little hooks here, so we just have our face rags here. And we just keep all of our face stuff and everything up here. And then we have these little drawers out here. This is my roommate's cleaning supplies, and these are my cleaning supplies / laundry stuff. Basically anything cleaning, laundry. I have my first aid kit back there. And this bin I got from Five Below as well. So yeah, this is probably my favorite area in this entire room, to be honest, besides my bed. Because this is where we make ourselves look human. Cheese. So next we have this little dresser, I guess you'd call. Me and my roommate share this little shelf here. Neither one of us have kind of decided like this is my shelf, this is your shelf, because we really don't have much to put on there to like have to do that. So we just really just share and put our stuff up there. So to start on this top shelf, I just have this sign that I brought from home. It says she is clothed with strength and dignity and lives without fear of the future. Proverbs 31:25. Because we stay blessed up here. Gang, gang, Jesus squad. And then I just have my printer here. Some people think it's not necessary to bring a printer from home because, you know, the library lets you print. But it's convenient just in case I'm up writing a paper late. I could just print it here instead of having to leave early in the morning to get it printed. It's really based off of preference, but hey, we have one. In the second shelf, we just have this over the door hanger, but it actually didn't fit over the door over here, so we kind of just have it here. Then my Polaroid, I just set it up here. We have a bag full of like Target bags and things to put in the trash can, napkins, extra printer paper, my roommate's shower caddy, and I'm pretty sure that's my sign that says believe, John 3:16. And that is this shelf. So next is the bathroom door. We just have this little mirror here. Hey, we styling. Hey, you guys see my cheetah print shoes. Obviously, like, who would I be without the cheetah? So yeah, we just have this mirror up here just so we can see our outfit, make sure we're looking good in the mornings. It's being held up by command strips because we aren't allowed to hang things on the wall, as well as everything literally that we have on the wall is like command strips. But yeah, so that's that. Then you enter here and we have Sweetmates. So it comes with this toilet here and these two hooks here, and we just share with our Sweetmates that are next door. We have this blue cover that my Sweetmate also brought. The door, ooh, that's gonna be loud. Ooh, look my toes. Okay, the door comes with a mirror that the university like provides. We didn't know this. Ooh. Yeah, anywho, we didn't know that this came and we bought a mirror, so now we have 2 mirrors, so whatever. So yeah, we just have this mirror that our college provides. And then the shower. It comes with the sliding door, which I didn't know, and I bought a curtain, but we're not gonna talk about that. And then it just comes with these little things over here where we can put our wash rags and our soap while we're in there. I like the shower specifically because you can like control the volume and pressure of the water right here. So that's good if you guys are thinking about Towson and you want to live somewhere. I say live in the towers. I love the towers. I love living over here. It's like a really nice community and everybody pretty much gets along. Our RAs are chill. But yes. And then we are back where we started. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell next to my name so you can see the next time I post. And see you.